I think we never stop learning. We talk about the journey of continuous improvement, and any person that comes into such convention should be open-minded enough to allow themselves to learn from others, and also to share, best practices, if I may use that inverted commas, or leading practices, from their own organizations. So I would advise as such, because you're interacting with a number of people. It's also a networking opportunity for a young executive, and to a greater extent, it's a valuable exposure opportunity, because you would interact with people that perhaps you may not have thought you would, ordinarily in your day-to-day basis meet. So it offers you that networking opportunity. It offers you, the opportunity to learn and share with others.